15 must-know facts about in-app purchases. Users worldwide are spending $380 billion on in-app purchases. Economy for apps is doing very well at present and is expected to get better. Around 5% of users worldwide buy in-app purchase features. Most of them are from Asia, North America, and Europe. There are more than 5 million apps out there. It is an estimated total number of apps currently available on various app stores. Global monthly in-app purchase spend per user per app is 50 cents, meaning a user is spending $50 on in-app purchases every month. Developers get more income from in-app purchases than ad revenues. In-app purchasing has gained a lot of customer attention during pandemic lockdown. Users have become more willing to pay for premium content. In 2020, more users turned to in-app purchases for entertainment, learning, and communication. A report from Sensor Tower suspects lockdown to be the major reason for this growth. Mobile app market revenues will reach $935 billion by 2023. According to Statista, the earnings will come from in-app purchases and paid downloads. App revenues grow 15% annually. There is a steady growth in the app revenues every year, indicating that more users will be choosing in-app purchases. Subscription for non-game apps and in-app purchases for game apps. Recent app revenue trends show that non-game apps generate maximum income out of subscription model, whereas gaming apps generate earnings out of in-app purchases. In-app purchases is the most used revenue model by developers. It is found that 50% of non-game apps and 79% of gaming apps use in-app purchases. Of the top 500 Android apps, 15% use in-app purchases. India's gaming market is expected to be valued at $7 billion by 2026. Users are expected to spend much more on mobile gaming. In-app purchasing is the source of second largest gaming revenue in India. Real money games are the largest source of income for India's gaming market, accounting for 53%, whereas in-app purchases is the second largest source of income, accounting for 31%, followed by ads, which is 11%. Indian apps get 6% more income from in-app purchases compared to other countries. While Indian users are very unlikely to spend much on in-app purchase features, recent market trends show an increasing Indian user base that is willing to spend money on in-app purchases. In-app purchasing is expected to grow at 30 to 40% by 2025 in India. The growth in India's paying users shows a promising future for app developers, making India one of the world's fastest growing markets. Thanks for supporting Abtaran App Store. We are a third-party app store where you can publish your apps for free. You will get free marketing for your apps and a chance to earn cryptocurrency. Visit www.abtaran.in and www.abtaran.com.